Moose, you chilling by the hole that you dug? Yeah, look at this. They love tunneling. This thing is deep. It's almost gonna connect to this other hole. Hey, Raven. Here comes Moose. Check out some of our other videos. There's some funny ones of them digging the hole. They don't seem like they're in the digging mood right now. They're just enjoying the cold weather. Yesterday they were in there. Every day it gets a little deeper. What do you think, Moose? Snow flurries. Say hi. You're a good boy. You give kisses? Here comes Raven. Hey, don't bite your brother. Say hi. You're a good girl. Yeah, kisses. Here he comes. You say hi, Moose? That's a good boy. Your ears are blowing in the wind. What do you think, Raven? They're Malamutes. These are big puppies. They both weigh 100 pounds. Yeah, they're bigger than they look on camera. Sometimes you can tell how big they are. I have a video of them standing up at this window over here, and when they stand up on their hind legs, they're like 6 feet tall. They're huge. Very strong too. We did a lot of skiing this past winter, and they were towing me all over the place. All up throughout the property. We have a nice loop. They're fast.